Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Circle smartwatch to your phone. First, make sure your smartwatch has at least 50% battery life to avoid interruptions during setup. Next, download the dedicated Circle app from your phone's App Store, whether it's the Apple App Store or Google Play. Finally, activate Bluetooth on your smartphone. This essential step enables your phone to discover and pair with your new wearable device seamlessly. Once the Circle app is installed, open it and navigate to the Add Device or Pair Smartwatch section. The app will then guide you through finding your specific Circle model. You might see a unique pairing code, often a 6-digit number, appear on both your phone and smartwatch. Verify these codes match exactly, then confirm the connection on both devices to proceed with the setup. After successful pairing, the app will prompt you to grant essential permissions, such as access to notifications, contacts, and location services. This ensures your smartwatch can deliver its full range of features. Take a moment to personalize your device by selecting your preferred watch face and configuring notification preferences. The initial data synchronization, which might take a few minutes, will then begin, transferring your settings and information. If you encounter any connection difficulties, a simple restart of both your phone and smartwatch can often resolve the issue. Always ensure the Circle Companion app is updated to its most recent version, as updates frequently include bug fixes and performance enhancements. Additionally, periodically check for any available software updates for your smartwatch itself, as these can improve stability and introduce new features, ensuring a smooth user experience.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.